Hi, this is Kathy Dodson with Next Step Book Coach. Today we are going to learn how to run Amazon attribution links. So you want to go to your Amazon Ads homepage, and then on the far left-hand side menu, you'll see Measurement and Reporting. Click on that, and underneath that is Amazon Attribution. So then you get to your Amazon Attribution page, and the first thing we're going to do is create a new campaign. And you want to create your campaign manually. So it's important here to use the same naming convention that you're using in your Facebook ads. So the campaign name is actually going to be the same as your ad set name. So say if you're doing a targeted ad to the US on a book, I'm going to choose my book, Matador. And then this ad is targeted to James Patterson. So now I'll know just by looking at it very easily which ads I'm looking at. So then you only want to put one book in here. I always choose the ebook so that your attribution link will track both the page reads and the sales. Okay, so now that we've done that, we come down to ad group 1. And these are your ads. So you want to use the exact same naming convention that you're using for your Facebook ads. So say you're testing 6 different ads with different graphics, but the same copy and the same headlines. This is how you would set it up. You do graphic 001, copy, which is your primary text, 002, headline 001. Then you hit select publisher. This is going to be Facebook if you're doing Facebook ads, and then it automatically fills in the channel. Then you have your click-through URL. So this is where you're going to have a specific link, the attribution link that you're going to put in the ad, but it's going to automatically click through to your Amazon sales page. So what you want to do there is go to your Amazon bookshelf and the book that you're working on. Again, you want it to be the ebook version because that's what we put in our attribution link. And so view on Amazon, US, and you'll get the short URL. And you just copy that. And then you go back to your attribution link page, and all you do is paste that into the click-through campaign URL. So when you're ready to make your second ad, you can either click Add New Ad Group, or I like to come over here and hit Duplicate, because it will automatically fill in some of your information. So again, if we're testing images, we'll do graphic 002 this time, maybe copy 001, headline 001, and then you put your short Amazon link in there. And you do that for as many different images as you're going to be testing, and then they'll each have their own individual link. And when you're finished, you hit create. And then it comes up with your attribution tags. And so here, I'm going to scoot this over. So you can see here is graphic 1, graphic 2. And so when we're making the ads for that, you just copy that and click it in, and then paste it into your Facebook ad where you have the link there. So that makes it really easy. And that's the way you do it. Then you can go and check, and you're going to have those attribution links there. In fact, we'll go look at that right now. We'll look at some old ones. Well, here, if we let's do Matador. Okay, this is the one we just did, Matador. There's not going to be any data in here yet because we just created it. But you can see that there's the ad groups, and then if you want to grab those attribution tags again, for some reason, that's where they are. And then you can go back and analyze that data. It makes it much easier to do, and you'll know exactly which ads are working to sell your books. That's it. Thank you.